See the code blue?
Yeah, oh, I see
Isn't
it.
that weird?
That is. It's a big elevator.
Yeah. Could have been scenic too.
Yeah, well, they want it to be cheap, so it's not scenic now.
Yeah. Yes, they kept the tile.
Oh, nice.
Kind of like the Century City joke.
Yep. It's a nice elevator, right?
Yeah, I like this kind of.
I think we all can agree with that. Let's just get off at one.
Yeah.
I'm more interested in the stores than this one. But it's still a nice elevator. I want to switch sides.
Sure.
That's
bumpers.
Nice. That is so epic.
It's an early Kone.
You are right. This mall has epic elevators.
Yeah.
This must be your favorite mall in the LA area. One of them.
One of them, yeah.
This is huge. It is from the probably early 90s.